Hello to everybody. I'm filming this video after a pause of a few months. You might have noticed that I haven't posted for a while. This is because my interest in just practicing and talking less has been growing, and I think it's kind of normal also that happens in this way. But anyway, I wanted to film this video because I think it's very important to talk about certain things that are a little bit confusing many people, and also putting some people in, I don't want to say in the wrong path, because everybody has the freedom to choose whatever works for them. And at least I would like to bring a little bit of clarity of what's going on in the Nei Gong world. That now I will call it more a Nei Gong industry, because unfortunately in the past practices like this, probably many years ago, before our modern era of commercialization and capitalism and money-driven society, this kind of practices had a very high, I would say, goal in terms of human development, of knowing ourselves more, of connecting with something more than just our mental and physical aspect. But unfortunately now Nei Gong has become an industry, and I was reluctant to film this video, honestly, because for a long time I said, just keep quiet, just do your thing, you know, keep teaching, and which is something I've kept doing even though I haven't posted anything. But I feel that it's time a little bit to speak, just to bring a little bit of clarity of what is taking place in this Nei Gong industry, and I will explain why I call it the Nei Gong industry. Because industry is driven by profit, not by a human interest. So the goal is to maximize profit, and it doesn't really look after or pay too much attention to the person itself. The only goal is to make more money. And unfortunately, this is happening in the Nei Gong world. I've been seeing, I don't use social media that much, apart from posting from time to time, but I don't open them. I keep my phone aside. I don't use it that much, although I work online. But what I've seen, because you know we are in AI era, and the algorithm and everything knows everything you are interested in. Of course, when you open your phone, you see coming up videos and profiles that could be recommended, could be interesting for you. And I've seen many profiles actually having a big growth all of the sudden, bringing new systems on the table. You see these profiles with loads of videos of different masters, which doesn't even make sense, you know, in terms of having a proper structured lineage or school to learn from, or a system to learn from. It looks more like somebody's trying to make a business, in my idea, by impressing the people with these capabilities that are possible within the Nei Gong field, and of course making a big profit out of it. I'm not going to mention any name or talk about anybody, because this is not my style, and also I've been asked sometimes via email about a certain system. I never comment about things that I don't know, and honestly everybody is walking their own path, so I don't see why I should say my system, my school is better than the other school, these people are just cheating or whatever, although there are people that are doing this, unfortunately. And I'm not going to mention anybody here. This video is more like to give you a general warning, and of course don't pretend to be the right guy or the good guy here in the field. I'm just saying to be very careful, because I want to explain you a very simple dynamic that is taking place, and it has been taking place for a while, which I have in the past even refused to participate in, because it doesn't align with my values, with my conduct, with my integrity life. So let's put it very simple. I've seen these profiles on Instagram, even on some Facebook, some of the old or more than old, or somebody who has been teaching for longer these new profiles, trying to catch up with the big growth that these profiles are having due to the fact that they post these Qi demonstrations, or as I said, of various masters. So there's not even a clear line. You could say, okay, I learned from this guy, which means that he's been learning from this person, and so on. And I even seen on Facebook somebody who has claimed lots of untrue things in the past. I even spoke with this person once, and he was claiming to be able to do Tenpachi in the row, when in reality, speaking with somebody who knows more than me, he told me, oh, he's sick, he's not able to do Fachi even with a pill, and he's even asking me how to do things, how to do a Fachi. And this person's been teaching for a long time. And now he's trying to catch up with these profiles that, are growing so fast, because it's become an industry. And there's nothing wrong in getting paid to share knowledge, also because it takes lots of time, to grow in this path, to practice every day, to travel, learn new teachings, to make mistakes, to grow. It's not easy to do it every day. So it takes time also to teach to others. It's a commitment, so it's a service, like many other services. Nothing wrong about that. But what is going on right now, it's due to a very simple dynamic that I'm going to explain to you. Chinese masters in general, they don't have their best interest in their mind in terms of us, especially towards Western people. They just want to take our money. As simple as that. And even today, I was super surprised. I was asked a friend's request from one of these master, I don't know, say Shaolin lineage, I don't know even what it is. He contacted me, said, nice to meet you, I want to share with you the video of my Qi missions to heal my patients, whatever it is. I didn't even reply to that. But this just to make you understand that things are not done on a human, I don't know if I can say human correct way, but they just want to take our money. Chinese masters, they're like this. And even myself, I was promised, not promised, I was offered, because I denied in the past, to become the most famous and most powerful practitioner and teacher in the world, which I don't care. I said, I'm not interested into this stuff, I don't practice for this reason, I leave everything on the table. So these Chinese masters are willing to take pretty much anybody who was willing to go there, and even offering them to take some pills, to do some demonstrations, so that they can recruit new pupils, and that eventually can bring more Westerners to them and pay lots of money. So you're probably aware that sometimes these trips to visit these masters cost enormous amount of money, like $5,000 and things like this. The dynamic is very simple. There is a greedy Asian guy behind the whole thing, who's finding new people all the time and asking them to bring more people in, with the promise that they will become the greatest teacher, whatever, with the fact, they give pills to them, to these new people. They can do a demonstration only for one day, and then nothing really happens again. And they start to organize trip to bring people there. This is the unfortunate reality. Even these masters, in my opinion, sometimes don't even practice Qigong anymore. Sometimes I think they just take pills, and everything they do, it's based on external alchemy, which means you take an external component to activate some internal stuff. But there's no growth, there's no really maturity going on, there's no refinement of the human being. And we cannot even talk about things which are more refined in the energy practice, like Lin Chi or subtle aspect, less dense aspect of the vital energy. We're just talking about the Qi mission, which is not difficult to do. And by the way, one of these teachers that has been teaching for a while, criticizing all the system because he's the one who is the best all the time. I'm not going to say names or things like this. Even this person has been claiming now of saying the truth and unveiling that everybody can do a Fachi by taking pills, when in the past these people and this person made videos and with lots of views and claiming to be to what kind of level, and now he's playing the part of the good guy to unveil that everybody can do Fachi, because everybody, many people nowadays are spreading, are popping up like mushrooms, making all these demonstrations, which is happening due to the fact that these Chinese masters, they want more and more people to go to make them film a video where these Westerners can do this Fachi, so that they can claim to have a lineage, to have a system, and bring new people for treatments or for learning, or for experiencing Fachi. So this is the situation. I hope I've been clear in explaining it. This is the unfortunate dramatic circumstance that we are here. It's that we are in. It's a big scam at the moment, I believe. And what I notice also on these new profiles that are growing super fast is that you have these Qi demonstrations with loads of views belonging to different masters, and some kind of I don't know if it's called caption, description of the video, whatever, saying things that sometimes are either not even correct in terms of Qigong, in terms of the energy practice. And of course, if you show a video like this to a new person who doesn't know anything, doesn't have any experience in the field, or never practiced Qigong, just believes, because you show you seems to be somebody who has authority, who has experience, who has done Fachi, whatever. So he's gonna believe this thing. But everything is okay, because in life everything aligns with what is meant to be. People are really attracted by this kind of superpowers. They are very gullible people most of the time, without offending anybody. They just go superficially into these practices, thinking that it's just about acquiring some special abilities, but it's not, because that same energy, even other aspects which are more refined, can be used for a great human development, in my opinion. So I filmed this video as a warning, to say that unfortunately the decline is happening everywhere in the human kingdom at the moment, regardless we are in this field or in another field. So my suggestion, especially for the ones who have been writing me sometimes for opinions, which I'm not going to share in particular about anybody or any school or anything, it's not my goal. It's just to be generally aware of this situation that I just described, and I hope that makes sense what I said, that has been said clearly, so that hopefully I expressed myself clearly, you understood what I meant. And just watch out, because unfortunately this kind of scams cannot be unveiled overnight. Because it's not like you go to a cafe, you drink a coffee, and they sell you the coffee as the best coffee ever. You drink it and you say, oh, it's terrible, I'm not going to be back here. These kind of things might require sometimes years of practices, or practicing and realizing that you basically you didn't do any progress. You just spent lots of money, or even in terms of health, you go for a health treatment, you pay loads of money, you take some pills or whatever it is, and then basically just for a few days maybe you feel a little better, or even not, because I have never seen any kind of miracles happening, to be honest. And then realizing later, much later, that you were just used. And to be honest, I will share a little story when some of my students got amused by these masters and these abilities sometimes, that even lost their track. Because of course these masters, they promise the same thing to everybody, So if you are not somebody who has some kind of inner strength, clarity to understand the situation, or good values and integrity, you could easily be trapped into this kind of offers that they make to you, and you will go off, and they will use you for a little bit, and then nothing basically is going to happen. Even in terms of teaching, maybe you will not even receive the right practices, and you will just be like a puppet basically for a little bit of time, up to the point that you cannot deal with it anymore. Or maybe they find somebody else, and or maybe you don't bring many students, and this is the unfortunate situation. So with this video, I just wanted to give a little bit of an overview of what is taking place, unfortunately. I hope that if you're interested in Qigong, Nei Gong, you are very careful about who you choose to learn from, and if I can give you a little bit of a tip, if I may, don't look at people who are trying to show off some stuff. Look more to the integrity and to the way that the person behaves, because that is a real sign of a spiritual or a human growth, not to do a fai chi. It doesn't have any, it doesn't has anything spiritual, especially when it is done using external pills and components. So all the narrative that you read on this kind of videos and posts and anything, it's just something that is powering this whole scammy situation.